Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. So we have negative 6y. So we have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 6 next to y. That is for integrating factor. And we have negative 6s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y to the power of negative 6s. This one, we have negative 1 over 6 e to the power of negative 6s. And then I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. And now we put number 0 and number 1 cone here to find the value of c. Now, if we simplify, we have like this. We put negative 1 over 6 go to the left. And now we have c equals to 1 plus 1 over 6. And then we have 7 over 6. And now we put this one going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.